Hi, welcome to our IDCube Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about how to use t-SNE in IDCube Pro. This feature builds a 2D or 3D scatter map for the entire data cube. It enables a user to separate clusters via the k-means method and visualize their position on an image. It enables a user to visualize up to 10 clusters and can calculate the area covered by each cluster in pixels. It's important to note that this toolbox supports parallel computing to accelerate computation. Large files might take a long time to compute. A typical time for a 50 megabyte file takes about 10 minutes on average. To start, you'll want to open a file and select the toolboxes and go to t-SNE. Calculations for t-SNE are computationally demanding. For that, the data size is minimized by using a pre-binning step in both spectral and spatial dimensions. Bin equals 3. The pre-processing calculation starts immediately as you open it. You'll then be prompted to select a method. The available options are the Barnes-Hut variation of t-SNE, which is used to speed the t-SNE algorithm and to cut down on its memory usage. The Barnes-Hut algorithm groups nearby points together to lower the complexity and memory usage of the t-SNE optimization step. The Barnes-Hut algorithm is an approximate optimizer, not an exact optimizer. There is a non-negative tuning parameter, theta, that affects a trade-off between speed and accuracy. Larger values of theta give faster but less accurate optimization results. The algorithm is relatively insensitive to theta values in the range of 0.2 to 0.8. The second option is the exact method. Next, you'll be asked to select embedding, the type of scatter plot that you will receive. The available options are 2D and 3D. Under the next section is distance metrics. You have a variety of options that you can choose from. You can also adjust any of these parameters. When you're ready, you'll click Run. The process is now complete. The t-SNE scatter plot was generated right here. Now you'll select the number of clusters you're interested in. You'll then click Apply. You'll then be prompted to select a class to visualize individual classes as a brighter color. So here is the Select Class button, and say you're interested looking at 3. You can see that 3, or the orange area, corresponds to this yellow region here. You can select 2, and you can do that as many times as you want, depending on how many clusters you've chosen. For more information on this tutorial and the different parameters, please visit idcubes.com/documentation.